Heartifine contains patented and clinically proven extract, specially isolated from kiwi fruit, and also it contains L-arginine. And these ingredients effectively check blood platelet hyperactivity and hypertension, that is high blood pressure. Platelet hyperactivity is a critical factor for the atherosclerosis processes, the part of the cardiovascular disease, and also the final events of heart diseases. Therefore, platelet hyperactivity and high blood pressure must be taken care of. Regularly consuming this newly developed Heartifine increases the blood flow by normalizing platelet hyperactivity and maintains blood pressure despite someone having a sedentary lifestyle, bad diet, stress, smoking, obesity, aging, etc. So anybody can take Heartifine on a regular basis as it helps maintain a healthy cardiovascular system.